in the wild heart of the mountains, as dawn breaks over a rushing river, a tiny life hangs in the balance. A young river otter, caught in the icy, powerful currents, is fighting a losing battle. Its small body is tossed and turned, a desperate struggle against the unforgiving water. High above, a magnificent golden eagle circles, its sharp eyes fixed on the scene below it. Is this the end for the little otter? The tension is almost unbearable. Then something incredible happens. With breathtaking precision, it snatches the branch and drops it right beside the struggling pup. The otter latches on, a lifeline in the chaos, and pulls itself to the safety of the riverbank. An unlikely hero, a surprising rescue, and a reminder that compassion can be found in the most amazing places.